Most of you don't have a food problem, you have a food noise problem, right? We love cake here. We love margaritas. I love pizza. But what I hate is when food has power over you. Because restrictive diets don't actually give you control. They make the food noise louder. They make you overthink everything. Good food, bad food, what you're allowed to eat, what you have to earn, what you have to restrict all week so you can enjoy your kid's birthday on the weekend. And then one slice turns into guilt or panic or I ruined everything. And your brain is just consistently spinning around food. Real control feels totally different. It's waking up, seeing leftover birthday cake and knowing I could have this and my day would still be fine. No spiral, no punishment, no starting over. It's walking into a party, a vacation, a dinner, and not being stressed about the food or the drinks, not scanning the room like it's a threat, not mentally calculating every bite. You're just present. You're with your people, laughing, feeling good in your body, not worried that one meal is going to undo everything, right? That's what we work on, not being perfect, not cutting out everything, but getting to a place where food is just food and you're the one in control. So if you don't just want to lose weight, but you want your brain back, your peace back, your joy back, common food noise here, Remy agrees, and let's chat.